Let's bring in our business reporter, Edward Boyd. Ed, jobless rate, the expectations it remains flat at 3.5%, a very low figure, of course. Talk us through what we're about to hear.
We literally should get the numbers in the next 10 seconds or so, Tom. But yeah, we are expecting the unemployment rate to remain flat at 3.5%. Let me just quickly have a look. It's gone down. The unemployment rate has ticked down to 3.4% in the month of October. So the expectation was it was going to stay flat. It's actually ticked down slightly. So it's gone back to that lower level that we saw previously back in July, when the unemployment rate fell to that lowest point since about August 1974. So we've gone back down to that 3.4% number, so almost a record low level again for Australia's unemployment rate. So this is a little bit of a surprise. Economists were predicting it to remain stable. You can see there over the last couple of months, the forecast, it has gone down. Let me just quickly open up the ABS website. But the Reserve Bank will look at these numbers and see the continued tightening of Australia's labour market. A lot of economists were expecting the labour market to start loosening up again as more and more Australians start coming back into their country and migrants coming here as well. We saw the numbers just 2 days ago showing 1 million people arrived in Australia during the month of September, and about 200,000 of them were coming here for work. Just looking through the figures quickly, we can see the head of labour statistics at the ABS says about 32,000 jobs were added during the month of October, which obviously pushed the unemployment rate down slightly. So a bit of a surprising figure here. Also, the participation rate, Tom, says it remains steady at 66.5%. So that number looks at the number of people that are either in work or actively looking for work. So a bit of a surprising drop here from the ABS.
Yeah, full-time jobs increasing by 16,000, the other key metric there. So just briefly, Ed, the chances of another rate rise before the year's out, I think, just shortened.
I think the chances are pretty good. We're going to see the Reserve Bank lift the cash rate again in December, probably by 25 basis points. That's the consensus as of yesterday from all the major economists. So that'll bring our cash rate up to 3.1%. Then the RBA takes the month of January off and they come back for that February board meeting. They'll then reassess where the economic indicators are and whether they need to keep lifting the cash rate or keep it as it is. So that's what we've got in store for us next month, Tom.